tokoh perdamaian konflik Ambon dan Poso, Yusuf Kala atau JK mengungkapkan, konflik yang terjadi di dunia Islam saat ini menimbulkan masalah bagi kemanusiaan. Hal tersebut disampaikan dalam kegiatan Seven World Conference on Islamic Law and Civilization WIT 2024 yang diselenggarakan oleh University Sultan Azlan Shah di Kasuarina Convention Center Perak, Malaysia, Senin, 29 Juli 2024. JK mengaku mengapresiasi dengan kegiatan tersebut sebagai upaya untuk membangun kesadaran pentingnya mengakhiri konflik di negara-negara Islam. Memang dunia Islam saat ini sangat banyak konflik, sehingga humanity, kemanusiaan, sangat bermasalah, kata JK yang menjadi salah satu narasumber dalam kegiatan bertema Together We Stand, Muslims and Global Humanity itu. Pada kesempatan tersebut, JK kembali mengajak agar negara-negara Islam bersatu mencegah konflik untuk perdamaian dan kelangsungan hidup manusia. Wakil Presiden RI ke-10 dan 12 itu juga berharap pembahasan perdamaian tidak hanya sebatas dilakukan di forum-forum konferensi saja. Dalam kesempatan itu juga, JK memaparkan bahwa 60% konflik yang terjadi di dunia ini terjadi di negara dengan mayoritas berpenduduk Muslim, seperti di Gaza, Sudan, Yaman, dan sejumlah negara lainnya. Kondisi ini tentu saja menimbulkan keprihatinan karena berhubungan dengan dunia Islam. Ketua Umum PMI ini juga mengingatkan jika Islam bukan hanya mengatur soal fikih dan muamalah. Pada kesempatan itu juga, JK menceritakan tentang kasus dan solusi mendamaikan konflik Poso, Ambon, serta berdamai dengan kelompok Gerakan Aceh Merdeka, GAM.
Sehat ya? Apa sehat?
PM, terus lagi.
Oh.
Di luar Waalaikumsalam.
Yang amat bertuangku untuk mengisi bahasa Inggris. Yang Amar bin Ibrahim, Honorable Datuk Sri Sarani Muhammad, Honorable Raja Dr. Ahmad Zahid bin Hamidi, Honorable Bahagia, Orang Kaya Bendara Seri Dr. Muhammad Zahidi bin Haji Zainuddin, Speaker of the Perak State Mr. Muhammad Yusuf Kala, Thanks Indonesia and Your Excellencies. Yang berbahagia Pro-Chancellor University Dr. Azlan bin Ghazali, and University Sultan Hasan Shah dan University Sultan Hasan Shah yang amat dihadiri distinguished guests, delegates, introduce myself, my name is Kiki Pillay, and bring together participants from 21 countries, Muslim and global Christians from federal state governments and state of Arabia. We are really
on this rise of the global south, particularly with Prime Minister a few days ago, yesterday, that this year we got BRICS Plus.
Your Royal Highness, Excellency Prime Minister, allow me to greet you in the universal greeting, Assalamu alaikum. I would want to make in response to this essay detail about humanity. And I think this is and recognizing that we're part of humanity, progressive and positive values of Islam, to our disdain for what is by action. And one of the powers, we need to use that effectively. Sanctions, because to merely preach that are the primary supporters of the state of Israel.
I'm in last months, I visit many countries in Muslim countries, and they are seeing more conservative, back conservative, like Afghanistan, Iran, and we are in Saudi Arabia in moderation, wasn't it? But if we say about humanity, no humanity without peace. And why peace? Because so many conflicts. Accordingly to information that 60% of the conflict in the last 10 years in the world occur in Islamic countries. 60%. Look at starting in Afghanistan, in Yemen, in Iraq, in Libya, in Syria, not Palestinian Sudan. It's so much. 60% of all conflict in the world have occurred in Muslim countries. Why that? I think there are some three reasons why so many conflicts in Muslim countries. First, inequality. Inequality between the countries, and inequalities in international world inequality. The second is ideology. Many ideologies, banks like Khalifa or Al-Banna, that Islamic State, Aceh very rich with oil and gas, but still poor because they get only 15% from revenue of oil and gas before. Solution, what we are making, give him better for 15%. Now Aceh, if gain 70% of all production revenue is for Aceh itself. In Poso and Maluku, they sing because Muslim and Christian. No. Rizal is Muslim and Christian because inequality in politics. Because after reform, we are tending to the liberal democracy, the winner take all. And because there are more Muslim and all politics position in Muslim countries, Christian population. And why they is politics getting to conflict within religion? Because if conflict with religion, all thinking about paradise, that jihad, and the other thing is Christian saying it is war because religions. And I come there, I say no, all of you going to hell because Muslim and Christian don't say about you kill any, we kill going to paradise, no, go to hell, and they stop. Easier because they think we change this idea. And Indonesia, that's why in Indonesia we are going to experience the peace. We are now working for cooperation with Malaysia as advisor to Afghanistan, to Thailand, and we are going to Afghanistan long before, because we're thinking we advise them not civil war in Afghanistan. They will stop it, civil war in Afghanistan. When Taliban, I visited Taliban in Kabul many days before, and they understand about that. There was that. We invited to Jakarta even before with Taliban. No country can invite Taliban. We invite Taliban to see that Muslim not like that. Muslim not like you are thinking. Look, Indonesia, we are very moderate about that. I think we can learn because ideology is consisting in many kinds of them. The world, of course, needed peace. No humanity without peace. Every day we see in TV how people in Gaza, how people in Yemen and even in Syria, that we thinking the world will be peace, world with humanity first thinking of peace, and we should do it togetherness, and we can make it anything we will.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Your Excellency. And next to
Pertama saya apresiasi dengan konferensi ini karena memang saat sekarang ini dunia Islam sangat banyak konflik sehingga humanity sangat masalah. Apakah itu apa tadi disebutkan Gaza, Libya, Yaman, di mana saja. Sehingga kita negara-negara Islam dan masyarakat Islam harus bersatu untuk mencegah konflik agar kita bicara tentang kemanusiaan, humanity.
Jadi, apa kau bila ada persidangan seperti ini di akademi cerdik pantai?
Ya, sangat penting dan apresiasi atas ini supaya dapat dilakukan. Mungkin baiknya ini bukan hanya dilaksanakan di era ini, bisa dilaksanakan juga bersama-sama di tempat supaya bisa lebih luas.
Bapak, gimana Bapak melihat konferensi seperti ini mampu memberi impak bukan saja kepada Perak, mana rantau Bapak?
Ya tentu memang ini kebutuhan dunia Islam untuk selalu bersatu dan mengutamakan kemanusiaan, humanity antara kita semua. Karena kultur Islam itu harus bukan hanya bicara tentang fikih, tapi banyak bicara tentang muamalah supaya itu ada suatu hubungan manusia yang baik. Ya, terima kasih.
Download Tribun X sekarang, menghadirkan lokal menjadi Indonesia.